morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all well. Children, I also hope that you all are studying at home. Please watch the videos, children. Today, children, we are going to learn a new sound. The sound of digraph UE. But before that, we will revise the sound which you have learned earlier. So let's start. The sound and action of digraph OO is O. The sound and action of alphabet X is X. The sound and action of digraph CH is Ch. Ch. The sound and action of digraph SH is Sh. The sound and action of digraph OU is O. The sound and action of OI is OI. Now children, today we will learn the sound and action of digraph UE. The sound and action is U. U. Now children, I will sing a song with the sound UE. I like to have a barbecue. You. I like to have a barbecue with you and you. Children, I will repeat again. I like to have a barbecue with you. I like to have a barbecue with you and you. Now children, we will learn a few words with the UE sound. You through. You through. You fuel. You fuel. You glue. You glue. You clue. You clue. You blue. You blue. You tissue. You tissue. You statue. You statue. You cube. You cube. Now children, we will do blending of words. You through. You through. You fuel. You fuel. You tissue. You tissue. You blue. You blue. You statue. You statue. You cube. Now children, learn the digraph and sound at home. Now let's move on to our workbook. Now children, for the worksheet, take your book Creative Beginning, Language Skill. Worksheet number 52, page number 56. Topic: words with UE sound. Read and trace the words with U sound. Now children, there are words given to you with the UE sound. You have to trace these words. Now the first word is tissue. T-A-S-U. Tissue. So you have to trace this word. Now the next word is blue. B-L-U. Blue. So now you have to trace this word. Glue. G-L-U. Glue. Statue. S-T-A-T-U. Statue. Q. Q-U. Q. Q. So children, you have to trace these words. Now let's move on to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 53, page number 57. Topic: words with UE sound. See each picture, trace to complete the word and rewrite it. Children, here some few pictures are given. You have to see the picture and you have to trace the UE sound. So the first picture is of tissue. So you have to trace over here UE. This is a picture of a statue. So you have to trace over here UE. Similarly, children, you have to complete this worksheet by tracing your glue and your Q. Parents, please help your children in doing their worksheets and please teach them sounds and digraph. Thank you.